Hello! Today we're visiting the Everbe community in East Orlando. It's just 10 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport, 20 minutes from downtown Orlando, and access to major toll roads like 528, 417, which can take you everywhere. So let's get started. The home we're taking a look today is the Imperial. It's a 2-story single-family home, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bath, 1 half bath, 2-car garage, and 2,500 square footage. The hallway leads us to this great open floor concept with the living room, the dining room, and kitchen combo. Stick around till the end of the video where I think we've saved the best for last. On this side of the home, you have your entryway to your garage. I'm already noticing all the closet space that the house has, which is very convenient. As we continue the tour, you can find the half bath on this side. There's also another closet right here. I'm loving this floor plan. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this floor plan is. Also on the main floor, we have one additional bedroom with a full bath. I'm loving all the natural light that is coming pretty much from everywhere. On the second floor, we have the 3 bedrooms plus the master, a laundry room, and a loft. Oh, I almost forget, and a full bath. For more home tours, community tours, and general information about the real estate here in Orlando, please subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos you don't want to forget. For any questions about this floor plan or community, I'm gonna leave my information in the description box below.
Now let's check that backyard, guys. Look at the pool and oh my god, the view. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.